There seems to be some confusion as far as how to turn in your assignment for life science. So when you go to Google Classroom, you should see this page. Now yours is going to look different because you don't have all these other classes. But you just go to the life science, just like we've done, and then you're going to go to classwork. Once you're in classwork, you're going to click on Chapter 7, Reading Packet Instructions. And it will go down here and you'll see that there's all the instructions and all the materials, and you'll see Chapter 7 Reading Check. You click on that and you're going to go to this page. It's a form that you're just going to put your name in, and then you're going to answer the questions from the packet. So you go to Section 1, Question 3 in your packet and say whatever that is, and it should be more than just one word. So it was a bird would be a acceptable answer. You should have more than just one word, like I said. Okay. Once you're done with that, you click Submit. Now it won't let me do that until I have them all answered. Well, I'm not going to do that. Okay. Then you go back to your assignment here, and these instructions here, you'll have a spot where you can turn in something. Now I'm going to move over to a different assignment here so that you can see what this looks like. Okay, so Mr. Becker assigned me an assignment, so I'm just going to go into that one instead so you can see what that looks like. And there's a spot right here that says add or create. You're going to click on that. Go to File, and this is where you're going to upload your pictures. Okay, now you may have to put your pictures, depending on if you're using a Chromebook or computer or cell phone, a little different way. So you might be putting in your drive first, you might email them to yourself first, and then download them to your computer. But then you hit Select Files, and then you can go into whatever. I don't know what I have for pictures here. Click Open, and it'll see it there. Then you click Upload, and it'll be there. My computer's a little slow, and then you click Turn In. Okay, now I'm not going to actually do that.